Welcome to our channel. Hope you guys are doing good. Please wear a helmet always and ride safe. Today we came up with a detailed review on all new Honda CB200X. So please watch our video without skipping to know all the details. Please do subscribe to our channel, if you have not subscribed yet, to get new updates on the automobile sector. So let's get into today's video without any delay. Honda Motorcycle and Scooter India on August 19 launched an all-new CB200X at Rs 1.5 Lakhs X showroom. The new motorcycle will start arriving at the Honda two-wheeler network from September 2021. The CB200X wears an upswept exhaust, thus accentuating its rugged and sporty yet premium character further. The sharply designed undercowl adds a striking appeal. Gets a similar angular, all-LED V-shaped headlamp as seen in Hornet 2.0. Other highlights include a black windscreen, a front heavy faired body, a wider handlebar, engine protector, and knuckle guards which house turn indicators. The bike is offered in 3 colors with the new CB200X. They are red, silver, and black. Most of the bike's design cues are inspired by the CX-02 concept revealed earlier in India. The tail section of the bike also gets LED lamps. It gets split-style seats and split pillion grab rails. The seats are contoured for better comfort over longer commutes. Eliminating fatigue arising from riding posture is the perfectly positioned foot pegs, raised and swagged handlebar inspired from Honda's high-end machines that add the right amount of ruggedness and strength to CB200X's design philosophy. In terms of equipment, the bike offers interesting features such as all-digital instrument cluster which is compatible with RoadSync tech for smartphone connectivity and navigation as well via Bluetooth headphones. It also gets the same golden-colored front forks as seen in Hornet 2.0. Other attributes include high ground clearance, a long travel suspension, high saddle height, and a single-channel ABS. Long and comfortable sporty split seat, 613 mm, ensures that both the rider and pillion are always at ease. An accessible seat height, 810 mm, inspires riding confidence and comfort. Nothing reflects strength with an ample amount of style like the CB200X. The unique lightweight stylish 5Y-shaped alloy wheels enhance the overall ride quality and handling on uneven rough terrain. The wire-spoke 21-inch front and 17-inch rear wheels are shod by knobby dual-purpose tires for more grip during off-road riding. As mentioned before, CB200X is powered by the same 184.4 cubic centimeters air-cooled single-cylinder engine offered in Hornet 2.0. This motor is capable of generating 17 bhp at 8,500 rpm and 16.1 Nm of peak torque at 6,000 rpm while being mated to a 5-speed gearbox. The golden upside-down, USD, front forks and monoshock rear suspension deliver precision while steering. Complementing both forms as well as functionality is the fully digital liquid crystal meter bringing better visibility in both bright and dark conditions. Key information like gear position indicator, service due indicator, and battery voltmeter is also available on the screen with 5-level adjustable brightness. CB200X gets an all-LED lighting setup, LED headlamp with position lamp, LED winkers, and iconic X-shaped LED tail lamp. The tough tread pattern tires, front 110 mm and rear 140 mm, giving excellent street performance and ample grip. CB200X is equipped with pedal disc brakes, front and rear, with ABS. While the engine stop switch makes it convenient to turn off the ignition with a simple flick, the hazard switch feature adds to the safety of riders in low visibility conditions. Key on tank placement amplifies its street fighter character while adding more convenience to the rider. The BS6 compliant engine is powered by a 184 cubic centimeters PGM-Fi engine, which puts out 12.7 kilowatts and 16.1 nanometers. Diamond-type steel frame ensures outstanding stability and agile handling. Honda is offering a 6-year warranty package, 3 years standard plus 3 years optional extended warranty * on CB200X. The new CB200X is available in 3 colors, Pearl Night Star Black, Mazzolini Silver Metallic, and Sports Red. At this price point and specs, CB200X has only one rival in the form of Hero Spulse 200. It will be interesting to see if Honda offers CB200X a rally kit that makes it more off-road capable just like its nearest competitor. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more.